Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you 5 ways to speed up your Windows startup and shutdown time. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's start with the method 1, replace HDD with SSD. If your hard disk is an HDD, I strongly recommend that you replace it with a suitable SSD. SSD has a faster memory called flash memory, which is not only excellent in enhancing the speed of startup and shutdown but also increases your device performance. Choose an SSD with the right interface and protocol. Refer to the instructions in the video to complete the replacement operation. Next, let's see the method 2, disable unneeded startup programs and services. First, disable unneeded programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys together to open Task Manager. Select Startup from the tab row. Select the programs you don't need and click Disable. Then, disable unneeded services. Search for services on the Start menu. Open the Services app. Double-click the service that you want to disable. Select the option of Disabled and click OK. If you feel a bit of hassle, you can also disable the unneeded programs and services by System Genius. It is a useful software that not only checks how many programs run every time you start your computer, but also recognizes all service items in your computer with a list. Download and install the software on the computer. Open it and select Startup option from the left panel. Click Disable button to disable the corresponding item. Then, switch to System Service feature to disable services you don't want to run. You can refer to the advice given by the software to choose whether to turn off and maintain the service. Now, let's look at method 3, avoid installing too many programs on the system partition. Type Control Panel in the Start menu. Then open it. Click Uninstall a program. Right-click the program name and select Uninstall. Method 4, make sure your C drive has enough free space. You can still use System Genius to complete this action. Launch the software. Select System Disk. Click the Release button to release temporary files and other junk files quickly. Finally, let's see the method 5, increase the capacity of computer memory. If the computer's memory capacity is less than 4 GB, it will also affect the startup and operation speed of the computer. Under this circumstance, you can consider adding a memory bank of 4 GB or 8 GB to your computer for increasing the computer speed. Of course, if you can add it to 16 GB, I believe your computer will be smoother. Note, before upgrading, determine the maximum memory frequency and capacity supported by your computer. That's it.